Yo, why the fuck? You've never been to heaven, have you? Ooh, it's the ride of your life, baby. Hold on your mic. I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie.
Glock talk, big T-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that knife. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight.
It took 3 betrayals for me to finally understand. The world is just an elaborate tapestry of lies. My fury will never be quelled. The first to betray me was a god. My creator. My mother. Valuing strength above all, she saw no worth in me and I was discarded. The second was a human. My family. My friend. Consumed by fear, he saw me as an abomination. The third was one exactly like me. A hope for the future. A fledgling barely out of the nest. Powerless before his mortality, he broke his promise to me. Humans, they can't be trusted. And the gods fill me with pure loathing. So I said good riddance. I denounce the world and laugh in its face. My chest will never again be defiled by worldly filth. I will scrub away every last trace of human emotion. Then it will be empty, a blank slate, and ready to receive a supreme gnosis, brimming with pure divinity. There is no need to fear. The pain will be brief. Your era is coming to an end.
Sonic says, if you're bored, punch an orphan. What are they gonna do, tell their parents?
So, you think this is over? At my command, you shall fall. My endless cycle begins. Your ploy was to sacrifice creating a god. We are using human wisdom to create a god. Let us reenact the scene of the Archon War. Come and inaugurate.
Scaramouche having an animal vision makes total sense. I'm your leafy lore Shimir Minzef, and I read the Genshin Impact lore so that you don't have to. Raiden Shogun and Scaramouche may have been heavily inspired by these Japanese gods, Raijin and Fujin, gods of thunder and wind, and Amaterasu and Susanoo. The story of Amaterasu and Susanoo closely resembles the Inazuma Archon quests. In the traditional Japanese legend, Amaterasu retreated into a cave, causing the world to be cast into total darkness, as evil spirits ran amok over the earth. Heavy inspiration for A's retreat into the plane of Euthymia, and the Vision Hunt decree, as the power vacuum left in her absence enabled Fatui interventionist schemes to rise. Susanoo is an uncontrollable destructive god and younger brother of Amaterasu, who after some acts of atrocity is exiled to Earth where he wanders to find a new reformed purpose. Scaramouche fits the animal conditions for dead friends and height requirement. Fun fact, Scaramouche's drip marketing happened on the same day that Queen released Bohemian Rhapsody.
悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ。俺友達いねえもん。
等等，那个，回头生之心。那是我的东西，你休想！我绝对不能再回去。
Itulah yang saat ini
I do not wish to assert control over him.
The first to betray me was a god, my creator, my mother. She saw no worth in me and I was discarded.
Dia membuat makan pun tak enak. A valid beer has already become a god?
If 2 plus 2 is 4, right? And 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. What the fuck is this? I didn't.
Guys are nothing but a whole bunch of low-life whores. You're nothing but a gay bitch.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?